Ciao everybody, I'm Luca from a Mosaic School International of Luciana Notturni.
In this video, I will explain how to install a mosaic tool, the Hardie, into its wooden base. We will make a central hole with a drill. We will use progressively larger bits until the hole can accommodate the Hardie. To secure the Hardie in the wood, you can use a scrap of wood to protect the blade and hammer it into the hole. To remove the Hardie from the wood, you can simply hit the Hardie on either side with a hammer, with or without wood, to loosen it from its hold.